Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 10th, 2012. Well, let's talk about it. Talked about every day in February being a bullish day. Today we actually had a bearish day. So now we're questioning this 1352.75 being a possible top for the year or for the month. So today was a bearish day. However, we do have this tail on the bottom on the daily. Shows a little bit buying pressure down here. Low of the day, 1333.75. I flagged this other day, 1332 to 1333. We've tested many times and we've rallied from there. So once again, we rallied from there again. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. We opened up down huge. More Greek worries. It's like a reoccurring dream that never stops. This Greek debt crisis. It's like the 102nd time in the last 2.5 years that we've heard and gone. The S&P has sold off. I can't imagine where they would be if there was no Greek debt situation. Anyways, trade what's in front of you, not what you want to make it of. We opened up at 1337. A little bit of buying pressure here. Sold off to 1333.75. It's a flag this 1332 to 1333 level. Thought it was going to be huge. I could have actually bought the close of this bar at the double bottom right here, right above the 1333. That was a little bit aggressive. I didn't take it. We rally back. We see this rallying into the close and then after the close of the European close. And then we kind of, a lot of neutral paper. The range today was very tight, even considering we sold off very hard. I'm looking for something to sell. I want to sell a double top. We had tails on these two bars, so I didn't take that one. Tails on the bottom. I want a tail on the top, closing on the lows. So we rallied even harder. I took a short right here because I want to be trading with the trend. The trend was to be short today. So we had a double top right here, 1340. I sold the close of this bar at 1339.25. I had a stop at 1341. I was risking 2 points. This is a very, very small, tight range today. I didn't want to take a huge loser. Risk 2 points. Sold it right here. Took profits all the way down. Got down to this 1335. We even got lower here. We got down to 1334. I took my last piece off at 1335. End of the day, huge spike. A lot of times over the weekend, especially on Fridays, we see this huge bar in the last 5 minutes. Basically, risk managers go around the room, tap people on the shoulders, and if they're short or they're long, they're like, okay, that's it, you got to cover. So if people have been selling all day in general, they may get tapped out and they have to cover their shorts all day. If they've been buying all day, they have to sell their shorts. So the last 5 minutes on a big day like this is very, very common actually. And we saw this actually traded up to 1341 half. This shows 3 o'clock. From 3 to 3:15, the markets are open. They're closed afterwards. So that's the levels for today. If you want all the levels, resistance, support, Fibonacci levels, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com. Key levels I'm looking at for Monday is this 1333 once again. If we look at the daily chart, 1304 will be the next level down to the downside. Even the low here of 1320, so I'd say probably 1320, then 1304. So this upside, we still have this thing to overclimb. It's 1353. Also around 1343 was critical. We tested that a couple times. 1343 I'll be looking at. Target still is 1371. The momentum is still in favor of the bulls. We've had 7 bullish days, 1 bearish day. However, this could be happy to have a reversal right here. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Have a great weekend and stop by KeenOnTheMarket.com for your S&P levels, unusual option activity, and trade of the day. Have a great weekend, guys.